Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. I hope your week is good. It's almost approaching the weekend. I just wanted to show you something real quick. Yeah, so in Minneapolis, we have local gardens. You can go and get food. And these are all organic, all natural. No pesticide, no chemicals. So, yeah, I got all this food from the garden in Minneapolis. All this food from the garden. So if you have a local garden in your city or your town, I advise you go there and get some food because it's straight from the land. It's straight from the land, and you're gonna be saving money. You know, you're gonna be saving money and it's straight from the land. So I got all this food from a local garden in Minneapolis, guys. You know, they got a few of them in Minneapolis, as you can see. Huh? Yep. So this is it. It's a quick and short video. Wherever you are, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. So, yeah, I got all this from a local garden in Minneapolis, Minnesota. So, I advise you, go to a local garden and get food. And they give it away for free. So, I mean, do you know how much all of this is going to cost me if I go to the supermarket? You're looking at over, because these are all the 100% organic, like natural. It's going to cost me over $100 for this. Yes. So, yeah, guys, have a good day, have a good night, have a good evening, have a good morning, have a good night, wherever you are. So, hey, this is my video, and hope you guys are doing well. Have a good day, and I will talk to you later. All right, guys? I'm out. Peace. Let's go. Well, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, leave your comment. What do you think? All right? Have a good day.